Swaney, founder of Ross Snow Tech. We're the creator of the Convert Binding. It's the world's first and only snowboard binding that seamlessly transitions from a snowboard binding to a snowshoe. Basically, you got your forward lean adjuster that adjusts the angle of the high back. So we rotate the lever on the back to get that guy up and out of the way. We fold the high back down flat to the ground and lock it into place. You release the side sash levers to release it from its mounting bracket, which stays on the board while you're in touring mode. Then you unfold the toe piece from underneath the base plate and lock it in place. And then you're snowshoeing. We also have an integrated crampon system that you just slide in and then put your foot back in. It gives you an extra 1.25 inches worth of traction. The mechanisms we have on all four corners are actually the same, or a very similar scaled down mechanism that they use on rockets and satellites. When a satellite goes up, or a rocket goes up and the satellite deploys, it basically opens up to a certain point and there's an over the center cam that locks it into place. So we basically took that mechanism, shrunk it down, and put it on all four corners to give us the movement and the ability to lock everything in place without any pins or tools or extra parts. And so basically, like I said, to release it, just push down and go up. Everything's designed line on line, so if there is any icing or buildup of any kind, the natural movement of the mechanism basically shears everything off, and you have so much leverage on the top moving down to the bottom that if there is any buildup or ice or anything like that, like I said, it just shears right off. You can convert it to snowshoe mode without taking your boot out of the binding. To put it back into binding mode, release the levers on the front, which release the toe, push down on the lever in the back to release the high back, locate the cleats in the front and rear of the mounting bracket, and then reset your high back angle and you're ready to go ride. One of the major advantages to the Convert Binding is not carrying the weight of your bindings on your back while you're snowshoeing up. So you have a board with just a couple small pieces of plastic on it. You strap that to your back. You're saving a ton of weight going up, about 5 pounds. On the way down, you don't have the weight, bulkiness, and awkwardness of carrying snowshoes strapped on your back. The bindings are designed to work with the traditional puck, so it'll mount on just about any board with the traditional hole pattern. When we first started, we basically filled the board with 16 ideas and kind of narrowed it down. And, well, basically, we created categories. So, difficulty of engineering, manufacturing, materials, we just went down the list. And we did not choose the easiest one or the cheapest one. We chose the one that we thought would make the absolute best product. We are pre-production, so we'll be looking for a release date in the fall of 2019, and we'll be launching a Kickstarter in February of 2019. You can find more information on our website at rstsnow.com.